Ki driver na Assam bat Meghalaya mentakasngi kila penlong ka Jingialang ha Green Hills Restaurant Nongpoh na ka benta banyak keren halor ka Jingia kabla jia ha ka arpandru terigu naitung ar hajar pusau baga kunhun seng bhalang HNYF kalakhang ye ki kali ki bawan na jela Assam ha tangar East Khasil Shillong na ka te ka Jingia ha tangar kalawon ra ai ka kendrum kendram ha pedeng ki driver na Meghalaya bat na Assam ki ba im jakpo na ka kam kamai kali ya ki nongleit nongwan bat sibenta ban pentandai ketika Jingia kila penlong ketika Jingialang manya keren penbe halor ketika kam kabla bu jing siir kelaya ki driver la kalong na Assam bat na Meghalaya ha kane ke Jingialang ki driver na Meghalaya bat Assam menta kasngi kalalong ke Jingiatai ke bajur ha pedeng para driver na ketika Jingia ha tengar ha kaba kane kala kata ka syongsuk syongsan ya ki para driver bat ki bawan jungok kai perthei la kalong ha Assam la ne ha Meghalaya
ini habang syong lang kini meeting nangi kalyang jong Meghalaya bar Assam ke kade hi tanga ta ko hi ke bangila aya rai lang namar ba kajing suthu bakla jong ki nonglek nongwan ki bawan naga barjala kamtam ki bana chaba ka state jongi kain bak na kiwi ru ka state ki ba don gitu kajing yakhang na kalyang jong ki seng bhalang rei katu baro bangi kamton jing dei ru em ha kalyang kajing bat kali te nakalyang jongi ru long ni la pansai hiru ba nakalyang jongi komunikasyon ngimdon re kanu kajing ya persya ya kanu ka turus taksi bawan sya kajala jongi baki nakalyang jongi bang syong mendaringin ya simkhia tangha bade ba kani kalyang jong kini kali private ki balabun palat ki bawan kamai seni jala jongi daki namba plate le katu kalau long keniat kala kini ya piang ja jongi kinong kamai ki ba kamai hok lagi terus taksi te sakawai ru long ni nakalyang jong asyon long kibun kit kiseng ki bami syakmat ki ba yakun nakalyang jong sarkar ngim bedek kita kasyong haki banyakran ba sarkar ngi nakalyang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya indon hapadeng kajing yasuk ngim kwa kanu kajing kanat nar baro arlyang ki state kumbang julong baro si kata ngin ya be kontra ngidon kajing tailang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ikwa bakan ya kemajuan katu ki banai keren sarkar ai kin ya keren baka sarkar kin ya sutu baka sarkar ngi para driver rang ni ngin ya be ke kam jungi banyak kamai kaji baik banyak bahaya met lang na baro arliang state jungi to apa ini kata katu ngila don kajing komplain jungi las ya mo makan las ya ngila ada komplain ya katu la don ru na tim jungi kilaya katu operation jungi hapo tengar hi lihat nagalyang jong tim jongi hi kilaya banyak kendang gitu kali privately mo to kapor te nagalyang jongi ru lada klem kajing terelang nagalyang jongi para driver kabu jeng ma identify na ki department ban kino kita ki private ki bakamai ne kino ki private ki bawan nakakam na yang ngasem unta te ngiru nakalyang jongi ka action na bro arliang kajela menta ngila persang manginyat inya tray rangkan inya verify iwe pa iwe na pring jongi ki driver ba kino ki kili private ki ba kamai bi an syakwati le ne sa shilong ya kata ngiru ngasa sim action halo kani kementa
so first appeal to all persons, these travel agents and all these things, booking agents, they are illegally operating private vehicles as on hire basis. And that is actually destroying our business also because we are paying high rate of taxes, maximum taxation. And they are not paying taxes like us. So there's a discrimination, so they cannot fly. That is illegal. We are not talking about private vehicles. Private vehicles are free to come. Somebody is coming on weekend. They can visit Cherrapunji, any Dauki also. As family, they can come. But we are talking about those private vehicles illegally operating as taxis, that category. So it should be clear, because this may go as a thing, misinterpreted, Any private vehicle, somebody will see and they'll stop it. We are not talking about private vehicles. That private category of vehicles flying on higher basis.
So it's any action from the association from us?
Take those things, and because mostly our drivers are flying those private vehicles, we'll try to detect and we'll give the list to government. We'll not take the law into our hand. We'll not take. And we appeal to a Meghalaya counterpart, so they'll not take the law, they'll give the list to the government and we'll pressurize the government to take action. Yeah. Message is that people are free to come to Meghalaya as well as we welcome tourists to come to Assam. So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay. everywhere, no? Representing the taxi operators of Meghalaya and from Assam side. And we have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, and because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension. And that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay? And other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems, competition from private vehicles operating on as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. These are the main decisions.